Well, hello. Good morning, afternoon. Try that again. Good afternoon, good evening, good night, Twitch. I was on earlier for some fun, and now, I want to work on a Docker build. Trying to figure some stuff out for work. Anyway, what's up? Also doing a little bit of a mic test. I think my mic might be going out, but good to see everybody. Hi Misha. Hi Asriel. Hello, hello. This music was, I went on in the middle of the night tonight, and, well, like at 1 a.m. to like 5 a.m., 6 a.m. Okay. My music, even though extremely low, was still seemed to be overpowering me. So, I don't know, let me know if the audio levels are screwed, if you're out there in cyberspace. I Love Cat says, hi, are you cybersecurity for networks or web or what? I actually am a Linux, a very junior Linux administrator, so, I was a CTF player for years, and I did study some cybersecurity, if you want some info. But no, I don't do it professionally. Never did break into security engineering. Okay, so I want to continue to try TryHackMe. Maybe this box just was driving me absolutely crazy earlier. Called Chillhack. I think it's in my title. So I'd like to return to that, but I do have, I'm not gonna, maybe I'll have to repeat this, but I have a sprained rib, so I have to do everything in bursts. So this burst of energy is going to be towards a Docker build, custom Docker build of Unreal Engine and Carla Simulator, which I had never heard of before. I'm shit with Docker. So, here we go, but I have somebody I'm working with work, at work, and they wanna run Docker on our cluster, so, hang on, what are the Docker commands here? I always forget the Docker commands. Let me bring up a cheat sheet. Am I American? Yes. Yes. Hello there, Ian Infosec. Welcome. Welcome. I'm doing some Docker stuff. I want to learn more about Docker. I had been working on a Docker project. Yeah, I might do a box a bit later. Continue with the box. So, okay. I'm going to be meeting with somebody tomorrow to help them use our cluster. And we don't have Unreal Engine or Carla Simulator installed on our... Oh, let me get up Docker Hub as well. We don't have it installed on our cluster. Why is this coming up in Microsoft Bing? Anyway, so when you don't have it installed on the cluster, you know, either recommend build a Conda environment and then install the software that you want locally, or deploy a Singularity container, but you have to build it as a Docker container in your own Linux environment first, and then export it to our cluster as a .sif Singularity file. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I want to actually be of decent assistance. I could tell them, here's the step, like basically what I just said, go build it yourself, but I'm interested in working with these things anyway, so figured kind of why not fool around with this. So, I have Portainer up. It's not coming up in my, I guess we don't need Portainer, but I'm a little annoyed that this is not appearing. Might have to restart the container. Could it be an issue that, I don't know. Check if it's running. Yeah, it is running. So here's the container. Up for 3 weeks. Portainer. Excuse me. Ports 8000-9443. And then yet I also have a ghost blog deployed. It's on 9000. I tried 9000 earlier. What happened? Yeah, I had tried 9000 earlier. And then, that was the, I had HTTPS in the, so I reverted an old port. Okay. Make sure that this is redirecting. Also, I'm so shit. What the host name? Raspberry Pi, cat, out, hosts. So, ooh, this is spaced oddly. It shouldn't make a difference. Hasn't before. Anyway, we're here. But I want to make sure this is also redirecting correctly. And then, yeah, this was accepting HTTPS. An error occurred. Okay, so we have a SSL error. Because it's, yeah, there's something wrong with my self-signed cert. Let's just go there. Again. Oh, interesting. Interesting. I don't remember my password. I was logged in before. Oh, man. Leave well enough alone. Leave well enough alone. Don't like hitting the back button to get here, but alright. It is what it is. Oop. So... let's see. Ooh, that's close. 2 days till my license expires. Two stacks, 10 images. Okay, cool. The cluster, my cluster is coming up. Okay, this is the other thing. This is a separate project, so I don't want to get bogged down, but cluster, my Slurm cluster. This is a whole other troubleshooting issue. Exit code 1. Okay, so it had failed to, I forgot the exact error. It had failed to deploy, though. Alright. So, yeah, I have an account on localhost, but I had, I had redirected everything. Anyway, I can't remember my password, so I'm not gonna bother with redirecting anything. It's not that important. This is a commercial portainer. This is the commercial portainer, and well, it says business edition. So no, it's the business edition, but I have like free. I thought I had like 3 free nodes. What did it say there? So you can see my ghost apps here. Yeah, let's do Docker Hub. But I don't know enough about Docker if we can still do a custom or just do a Docker file and an install script, because I have some notes on that already. What I wanted to do, or different ways I wanted to do this. The notes got all screwed up, but yeah, I don't know enough if the Docker file would work. I had gotten some advice to just do a Docker file rather than pulling an image, but I want to search the images, and then if not, I guess I'll use one of my colleagues' install scripts or a modified version of it, and yeah, we'll test the deployment. I have a feeling I'm not going to get to the deployment, but that's alright. Hey DJ, Zero, what's up? Good to see you. It's been a bit. Sorry if the mic is like crunchy sounding. I can't tell if it's actually the mic. It's probably me moving around so much. And then also I have this fan in back of me blowing like crazy. Okay, so we've got our Docker container. Have a directory here to work out of for the simulator. Keep that up, and let's search Docker Hub for an image. I'd seen a few images earlier this week, but I hadn't quite looked at it, but alright, I think I'm just gonna leave that mic there before it falls on my head or something terrible. Oh, hey, Trev. You're up early. I had a actually nice nap in. You have to head to bed right now. Here's a free alert. Well, thank you, Try, for giving me a free alert, and yeah, have a good night. I've been sleeping really well lately. So, Docker image. This is where did I see this then? Sneaky Donkey. Hey, are your ribs better by any percent? It's just yes, they are. So I have a lidocaine patch over here. Well, you can't see, that's probably off camera. So that quite helped. And then just I can't sit for long. I can't be in really one position for too long. And I can't do really any exercise, which sucks, because I'm kind of I gain weight kind of quickly. So I think I'm gaining weight back. But thank you, I do appreciate that. I am feeling better than when I got off this morning. Much better. So I thought I'd try to get some work done. Little experimentation. So Docker image. This is what... I think. I don't know. Let's check out the GitHub repo. So currently, you can build Docker with, or Unreal Engine with this Carla simulator. For Docker Python package contains a set of Docker files and accompanying build infrastructure to build Docker images for Epic Games. Okay, Unreal Engine. All right. Here's some images, actually. Unreal. Can't see what you're interested in? So no, yeah, I'm not going to be able to deploy this from Portainer. Just checking this install script somebody had written a few years ago to do something similar for what I'm aiming for. Just do it using Docker and Docker. I was doing it to... Okay, my notes got all screwed up, but I want to do a Docker file with a base image from Ubuntu, and yeah, basically from a Docker, just a Docker file. And as I understand, that's a little outdated. I'm really stupid with Docker. Okay, so I'm gonna follow this, even though my formatting is atrocious here. See if I can just copy and paste this. Whoop. No! I don't want to look at the, I don't want to figure out why the copy paste is so screwed on this, from my VMs. I'd have to restart everything. But do I want to write out? God damn it. So we're doing NVIDIA. module 10.1. I don't know. It's told to do this on a custom Ubuntu image, but I don't know. Let me see again if this can copy from my notes. Start from a base Ubuntu image and then install the dependencies. Okay. Let's just... That's so screwed up. Let's just see if it'll copy and paste anything. No. Okay, so it's not going from VM to outside the VM. I can't do it. So I'm just gonna have to write this out. How exciting. Not sure where to put the chat. Should have thought about copying the notes originally over to the box, but that's okay. There's always issues with the VMs front end. Apt key. And then fetch keys. No, we don't. No. This is not the correct version. My script. So we need the NVIDIA. Let's just actually search NVIDIA. CUDA. Oh, that blinding white light mode. Oh my. Alright. So, I want to pull and fetch these keys from... CUDA... Actually, let's do this copies link. Will it paste? Oh, so it'll paste internally in the VM. Alright. This takes long enough. I'll just restart the VM and get copy paste working. guess let's do spaces or tabs. It's not a YAML file, but I don't know if it's gonna be just as sensitive. I don't know enough about Docker files. I'll have to look that up. So that's 4 spaces, and then that's a tab. I don't think the spacing should matter here, but we're doing the sudo apt upgrade, update upgrade, and we're gonna add tac y, agree to everything. Not good practice, in my opinion, but. And then apt-get install. I have to look up this other one, Clang. So Clang. Oh. Using Clang tools. Standalone command line and potentially GUI tools designed for use by C++ developers who are already using and enjoying Clang as their compiler. So what do we want to do with Clang, actually? Alright, so I guess I need to install Clang alongside this. This is like a little bit of a learning curve. Keep moving this chat around. I guess I can minimize the chat actually for now. Okay, I don't think that screwed up the format. All right, let's recommend no. Let's install recommends software. And then build the Clang 8 compile. Okay. Oh, it's hyphen Clang 8. You might be wrong. Sorry, I didn't see your full message. Just a moment. I feel like Ubuntu should be fetched before. Yeah. You know, I had been looking into that. I have, like, I'd compiled. How do you do dark mode in Obsidian? This is. I had figured this out. I had this in dark mode. This is burning my retinas. Anyway, I had a few ways to do this. with the base image using Ubuntu and an updated version of Ubuntu. What I'm writing out now was like a modified script that somebody gave me to work on this. Fortunately, it's in our Slack, and I can't copy it over. And then I had worked on this, was working on this morning before I did a TryHackMe box and got completely distracted. So the Docker file, using the base image, okay, the formatting, I'll have to unscrew this formatting, but basically using the base, Obsidian, what are you doing, bro? Oh, why did it screw it so thoroughly? Okay, I can still kind of read it. Use base image and then set a working directory. Don't necessarily need to set it to that directory. Copy the install.sh script and other necessary files. Copy, install, and then there's the Unreal Carla. There's a zip file. Copy, tar it, and then run install script. So the install script is something else I have to port on over. Maybe I could throw all these scripts on my GitHub and just pull from there. But in the Docker file, start from the base Ubuntu 20.04 image. Then set working directory to, well, it doesn't have to be this path. Copy the install.se script and all necessary files. Make it executable, run, define the environmental variable, okay, and set the default command to bash. Okay, simple enough. Those are other notes. Create Docker file. Start by creating the Docker file in a new directory. Here's a simplified example. Yeah, so I should start from, so I need to pull an Ubuntu image, but I feel like Ubuntu should be fetched first. Yes, I do agree, but no, I mean, yeah, I totally agree, but it's just not going to fetch. Oh no, this is going to fetch the CUDA repo. Alright, so I guess pull the Ubuntu base image. Everything was written for 18.404, so I guess I could pull 18.04 and then come back to our friend here, the Docker file. Just see real quick. I do also, let's see, install script, Yeah, I don't see where it actually, within the Docker file or anything, is pulling an Ubuntu image. Sorry, I'm looking over here on my Slack notes. Let me think of a way maybe I could show this on screen so I can get a little bit better help. I could finish writing out the Docker file. Hey, Middle Key! That's so good to see you. How you doing? Doing some Docker. Probably some really basic, you know, really basic bitch shit here. That, what is going on with my keyboard? That is so strange. Okay. Now we're back in interactive mode anyway. Doing good, doing cool. Right. I was looking into Podman. Nice. Podman is something I definitely want to look into. I'm writing out a Docker file, and we're thinking, should we actually just first fetch the Ubuntu image, and then we have the base image. Oh my god. The Docker alternative, yeah, Podman doesn't run the container with the set UID. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I believe you're right. And so what I'm working on is the Docker. I want to build the Docker and then export to Singularity, because we only run Singularity containers on our cluster. So yeah, start from the Ubuntu base image. I think I'm gonna get up ChatGPT. Play King of the Hill, please. I played I was doing a box earlier. I'll come back to it. I'll do King of the Hill. Actually, should do King of the Hill. Right now, I want to have an understanding of this, and just enough for my meeting. Even though this is not, like, in the purview of my job, really, I can tell this person that I'm helping build this that, like, hey, this is outside my purview. Please just build it yourself. Here's the general steps, you know. Build your custom Docker, customized Docker container, export to .sif file Singularity, you know, copy over to our cluster, and add module, run. Like, that's all I have to actually say tomorrow. But I want to understand this better. And I want to build up my skills. Where do I work? I'm not going to say exactly where I work, but I work in scientific computing. But I'm terrible with Docker, and I want to get better. And I just thought this would be a good crossover to another Docker project I have. Getting familiar with more and more of this. I had all of this together this morning, and I decided, no, let me do TryHackMe, and I totally lost my train of thought there. So yeah, we can just start from the base image, install necessary dependencies by running, you know, well, apt-get update, the build essential. I mean, we need cmake, git, wget, unzip, download and build, and then download and build the Unreal Engine. But can we throw this all? We can throw this all in a Docker container. Or a Docker file. A Docker file. You need the slash at the end of run. Trying out this new tablet, and I have it positioned really low, but I can't do anything about it. I think I'm gonna have to bring up the chat again. But that's covering half my screen. You need a quotation. Okay, let me see what you're talking about. This is all screwed up. This got completely screwed. Copying everything over, so I cannot copy anything. But let's see. Here we are. Oh, fetch keys. Oh, yeah, of course. Woo. Ooh. Thank you all. Docker files also support here doc notation, allowing you to run multi-line run statements without the slash. Okay. Okay. Learning. Definitely learning. Why is the end key not bringing me to the end of this? Okay. Thing is, do we need to pull... When am I gonna need to pull the Ubuntu image? Is the thing. Had something up here. Okay, I'm getting out ChatGPT. I can't help it. Do I have... Custom Docker. So that's interesting about the here doc. I'm gonna bring up something like that in a moment. Okay. Alright. I think this is information. I don't see anything sensitive in this ChatGPT. What is good old ChatGPT? I think it's just spit back my question back to me. Thanks. Yes, you need to pull the base Ubuntu image. Of course, recommending 20.04 rather than 18.04. Before you can build your custom Docker image using the Docker file. The Docker file you've shown is set up to use Ubuntu as the base image, and then installs the necessary dependencies, downloads and builds. Right. Okay. So let's save this and then just pull the image. To build a Docker, okay, don't necessarily need those steps. So it's confirming what you all said. I'll trust you all over ChatGPT. ChatGPT is awesome for emails, though. Hey, Kane. Good to see you. How you doing, buddy? Alright, so actually I'm gonna leave this here. We'll do a WQ. Just make sure everything's looking good there. Alright. I'm just missing where the... I've screwed up a few things on this Docker file. Let me get up my notes yet again. Did I actually misspell upgrade? Oh, I didn't put apt. Okay, thank you. Maybe I'll just edit that now. Let's just skip that over now. Yeah, no apt. Anything else? Oh, you guys can't even see my notes because I have a capture up. I've been showing you my notes and like, oh my god. I've been like, hey, look at the formatting, it's all screwed up and you can't even see it. Oh, I feel so stupid. Oh no. Seeing you VIs makes me feel inferior as I use Vim. You're more I'm not more hardcore, it's just VI is... Oh, same with Vim, but VI is always... Let me add the capture for my notes so you could actually see what I'm talking about. It's not that important, but... I have not been doing this capture thing for that long with Twitch. I used to just show my entire desktop, but then people would like catch my email would pop up or a Teams notification would pop up if I forgot. And I just was like, let me stop doing that. So I'm gonna add the capture just like I did with the chat. When I went to Vim, I never went back. Excuse me. Yeah. I was a Nano user and I kind of refused to learn Vim. And then once I started actually having, when I got my job in Linux administration, I just immediately switched to Vim, or VI rather. Sometime I'll just call it. Why is this not even allowing me to add a capture now? Oh, jeez. Okay. Maybe you have to trust me that I have notes here. Yeah, I've been streaming for years. You wouldn't know it. Let's see if I can do, actually. Window capture. Okay, I can do a window capture. Cool. I don't know if it'll detect obsidian or... Ooh. Yeah, see, this is what's imperfect about the captures. Now everything is... I don't know. Maybe there's a better day to do this. Yeah, because now I'm not going to be able to minimize this. Okay. Just trust me. These are my notes. I have been working on this earlier. These are my notes. It's basically everything that I'm starting to write out. Anyway. And I can't copy and paste this over the VM because the, not bilateral, bidirectional copy and pasting is not working, and I just don't feel like restarting and troubleshooting that at this point. But I don't know how to do this capture, so let's just leave it there. Nano makes my brand hurt. Yeah, you know, I've used Nano for years, and then it was like, holy shit, this actually does suck. Clipboard sharing is not working, no, and it's making this much harder than it needs to be, because I could just copy and paste the Docker file, and that's it. Instead of here I am writing out in hand, because this needs to be done on a Linux box where I have permissions to then export to Singularity. So, I could do this on the dual boot later, but hey, I was working anyway. Can try shift right click. I did that. It's just not... No method is working. This link is from within the box. I'll try it again, but just kind of gave up on that. So, can we just do Docker pool and then Ubuntu? We'll back up. Actually, we could use Portainer for this one. Yeah, Docker pool Ubuntu, and we have to specify the version 20.04. Guess I'll just do Docker. This was written for 1804, but there we go. Well, we have not. We don't have the container, duh. Okay, but we have the image. See, this is interesting. My Slurm, pulling these Slurm images failed at certain points. We'd have to run these again to get the errors. But they show up, the images show up, but also the containers do too, and in Portainer as well. I'm so confused by that. That's a whole nother project. So, I had an Ubuntu base image, but I wasn't quite sure what I have, so here we go. 20.04. Hey, Pina! Hey, what's up? Good to see you as well. I really need to prop this tablet up so I can see the chat without having to keep bringing it up. But yeah, still alive, I see. I am alive. I'm doing alright. I have a strained rib. You guys gotta put me in a padded cell, I swear. But yeah, good to see you, and thank you so much, Pina, for subscribing 19 months in a row at Tier 1. It's been good to have you all this time. Always love seeing you. You can always guarantee I will always come back. Take time off, but I always come back. There's enough there should be enough space, so what do we want? Not Dio. Dia. I have just enough space to do this. Yeah, let's run a DFH. Shy Hat, me going to sleep on your slave, me waking up on your slave. I know. Just feel motivated today. Oh yeah, we can run the DF. There we go. So this should be available 94 gigs. This should be just enough. I have to get up the specs again, but I think I did look at this earlier, and it was just enough space. Oh shit, but where did I write that down? Let me dig it up. Oh, you know what's weird? The Streamlabs, since I was on earlier, on one area of Streamlabs, it's showing that I've been alive for 11 hours. But that doesn't even make sense combined. So I've been on for like an hour now, and I was on for about 4.5 earlier. I don't know why it says 11. Hey, Taniwa, boop. Taniwa. Oh, yeah. Sorry, just getting my notes here again. Shit. This is a mess. Anyway, Taniwa, let me stop for. Oh, got a scam train going. Haha, you started a house. Yeah, you guys kicked it off. Tanny, what's up? Awesome. Thank you so much for subscribing at Tier 1. 32 month. Wow, a 32 month streak. That's crazy. Sometimes I think, oh, ad break. No! Thank you, Pina. Wow, that's so generous. Thank you. I don't know whether to add. Is the ad break still going? Pina, thank you so much. 5 Tier 1 subs gifted to the channel. You've gifted total of 35. That's huge. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You never need to feel you have to give to me. You know, I try to cut ads as much as possible. I don't even know if we can turn those off, but I always appreciate gifts. Always appreciate having a little bit of extra pocket change. But I always do this. I appreciate everything. I appreciate everything. But also, don't ever feel you need to give to me, because I do this for fun and just to connect with like-minded people. So, thank you. It's only 2 ads. I have the ads done, like, the absolute lowest ad possible. Maybe if I can get my Docker file, everything squared away. I've got like I'm such a tab hoarder, so I'm just ciphering the tabs. All right. Okay. Yeah, the 1080. And yeah, Twitch has just gone crazy with the ads. You were in someone's stream and they had like 4 ads 2 minutes long. You know. Yeah, I mean, I can show you my back end. I don't mind. I can show you how insane this is. Check it out. Well, maybe I should actually pull it up. I don't want you to see everything on the back end. This is crazy how they push ads. Creator dashboard. And then we go to... where can I see my ads? Oh, you can't see my browser source because I have a capture. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to figure out how I do streams in the future because I can't seem to get this totally correct. I either have my desktop up and all of my desktop showing, and then everybody, not everybody, but people find little ways that they can like, well, find my name, my email, something that pops up accidentally. So I started doing captures, and now I can't drag shit over and send you. Show us your backend, don't break TOS. Hey, Mr. Extremely. Tanny's a friend. We're having fun. We're having fun. Yeah, it actually is a violation of Twitch to do that. But okay, I'm gonna have to figure out how to do add these captures in the future. I haven't figured out a good way to do this at all. Screenshot the thing. Yeah, I'll screenshot and share with you all. But just, it's on the lowest possible setting, and yet what do you guys still got hit with like at least a minute of ads? They won't let me turn it off, or at least the last time I checked. Yeah, and they're pushing, most people want to keep a mid or even high level of ads, understandably, because you can get some nice revenue from that. But it's just, it's crazy how long you have to sit for ads. That's why I had jumped to YouTube, just viewing everything, my favorite streamers on YouTube. Speaking of YouTube, I do have to check that that link is still up. Actually, should just keep a window up of me. Make sure it's still ticking. Alright, I am live on YouTube. Alright, we're continuing with the Docker file here. Do have just enough space. Kick him into space. Hey, Nix, what's up? Oh, and I see I have all notifications turned off, but I see Frackery has followed. Hey, Frackery, are we following each other? I thought I've been following you for years, but thank you, and thank you to everybody else who has followed. Sneaky Donkey as well. TTV found a workaround. Never sitting through 12 minutes ads. Yeah, I know some people do the mid-break ads, and then the some do the mid-break ads as well. Alright. Try one more time. It's in visual mode. Come on. Alright. So we want Clang. But I have to update this now. I'm not going to include the NVIDIA. This is going to be useless on my Pi, so let's just simplify into Ubuntu 20.04. Which means we don't need to fetch the keys for NVIDIA. Yeah, I just want to build and see if... Alright, don't know how much of this I'm gonna get rid of now. I could also just get rid of the sudo app update. Or we can we could run an apt get update here. And apt get do an update and upgrade. Or we could do the install... Yeah, actually, let's move this line upwards. No install recommends. I have a bad habit of holding my head like this. Have to stop. It looks really unprofessional. Hey, Hack the Planet! So good to see you. Hey, Hack the Planet! It's Tigora, right? Good to see you. Maybe a difference between... Oh, you guys going back and forth. Oh, and... Yeah... Yeah, okay, 12-minute ads. That's insane. How's it going, Hack the Planet? So it feels so strange saying that, like, I've known you of your Tigora for years now. Actually, Tigora, you're in scientific computing and HPC, right? Hacking the planet, making it safer for everyone. So, there's a common build for Clang 8. Apparently you need LLD 8. Okay, this might end up taking long enough that I will fix the bidirectional copy-paste issue. Holy crap. Ninja build. I'm in classified computing. Oh, maybe I shouldn't ask, right? I know how to sysm and HPC did it for 2 years. Oh, classified. Yeah, here's what classified computing actually is and how that differs from, you know, scientific computing. Does it differ from scientific computing? I wonder if there's a version of this script I can bring up in a GitHub and just copy, because that's gonna start to take a while. I'm a pretty fast typer. Oh my goodness. Python 3. And I'm looking at my notes. Nobody can see. Yeah, it's just siloing aircraft. Very cool. Mr. Extreme is this a VM? Yes. I've been wanting to set up streaming. I have a dual boot to Fedora. I've been wanting to stream from the Fedora side, even though when I originally started, I actually did stream from, from, I think I was just streaming on Ubuntu, but had significant issues with audio drivers and running the software, so I decided I'm just going to do everything with VMs. Also, I was very early in my Linux journey. At that time, I'd started streaming, and was just I couldn't, you know, I didn't even know how to run LS, or well, I knew how to run LS. It's a little bit of a overstatement, but I didn't know how to do much. So I've never really, basically I've never really revisited streaming from Linux, directly from the Linux boot. That also, one of the projects is I set up the capture card on my MacBook Air, and then we could just yeah, use the capture card and stream from there. I don't know, I have a few ideas, because the VMs are probably causing just as many issues as running on Linux. But basically, Streamlabs, at least Streamlabs OBS, and I've been told even OBS don't work well on Linux. That could have changed, though, in the last few years, so yeah, it's time to revisit it, because these VMs, they do give me a hard time. I do actually have a question for Hack the Planet. Trying to not lapse into saying Tigora. Oh, right. Tigora. Sorry. Hack the Planet. Oh, and hello, Kenka Jiro. What's up? VMs feel so sluggish. Yeah, it really does. Okay. I do have a question, but let me search for this first. Because the copy paste isn't working. I could just copy everything I have written out in my notes. I might just restart the VM, because this is gonna take... It's gonna take like another 30 minutes for me to write everything out by hand. Let me see if there's a GitHub that just has... unable to locate package, unable to install NVIDIA CUDA. Okay. Can't install software properties. Docker file. Ubuntu. Yeah. Not what I'm looking for. Like, yeah. Yeah. Let's see if the Unreal Engine Docker file run export. Damn it, I thought the notifications got rid of this anonymous user who keeps trolling me. Damn. So even turning off all of my notifications, including like, every notification, doesn't get rid of this absolute loser. Anyway, we'll ignore that person. Yes, I'm using a VM. This little maneuver will take us 54 years. Yeah, you think it's just worth... Maybe it's just worth restarting and doing just troubleshooting. I didn't want to troubleshoot the bidirectional copy paste error, so here we are. Let me see if there's anything though similar to mine that I can just edit real quick. Alright, yeah, fuck, screw it. Let's... Ooh. Alright. I don't think you all can see my settings, so... Got a blank screen up now. That's just my... Oh, there's the desktop. A desktop capture. Oh, nice. Yeah, so here are my notes that I wanted to do today. Things I wanted to build today. All written out. And I can't copy and paste it over, so I'm just like looking over and all that. So let's see if we can troubleshoot the issue. Oh, hack the planet. I'm curious. If you can't... Okay, so the point of... What is the point of this? I want to learn more about Docker, but also... Oh, hey, computer nerd. I saw you there, Israel. So I want to run this as a singularity container on the cluster, which of course you enter with on a login node, and then you have to run sbatch or srun, you know, an interactive graphical job or a batch job, and Slurm will manage jobs, right? When we do CUDA environments and people can customize their when they can customize their environments, of course that Slurm runs through the customized environments. That's not an issue. Oh my gosh, it is disabled. This was not disabled. I swear it was not disabled earlier. Okay. I swear. Alright, so my question though is, if you're launching a singularity container, a custom singularity container, because the application or software is not installed on the cluster, which is why I'm doing this, is to help a client who wants to run Unreal Engine, is that going to run on the login node? Is the singularity container going to run on the login node and then potentially lock up the node because it's such a resource heavy program, especially if running it graphically as a graphical job? Because there's no way to advance to the compute node, because this custom build for the client will not actually be installed on a compute node. They'll just export the Docker image to Singularity, do module add Singularity, and then work with the container. So I'm just wondering, I'm just curious, because I might be giving bad advice to this person and should maybe focus on CUDA environment. I don't have a topic command, sorry. We're doing a Docker build, trying to work on a custom Docker build. here today. Just a moment. I need to get everything back up. I have trouble thinking and talking, even though I talk a ton. Way too much. Let me make sure copy paste is working. Yeah, so we're just oh, you can paste into VM. It should be fixed now, but let's check. Sorry. Hi, Isomorphica. Thank you for joining. Yeah, we're just doing a custom Docker build of Unreal Engine, something called Carless Simulator. I want to help somebody run this on a compute cluster. There we go. Fixed. Oh. So, kind of, just fooling around with that. I'm not very good with, Docker, so... part of the aim is just to also learn. Now I can just go ahead and copy and paste everything. I have to get back into my Pi, so I don't have the screen blurring effect. So I'm gonna have to go over real quick. Thank you for the follows. Again, I have notifications turned off completely. Alright, overlay intermission. Didn't know about Carla. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know much about Carla either. I just want to. It is interesting. So definitely want to learn more about that, but mostly with the Docker build, because I'd like to reduce my. Maybe I shouldn't say this out loud. I like data center work, and I'm not doing like hardcore data center work. Although I think I strained my rib from the data center work, unfortunately. But I want to get into the more software building side of why is my password not working? Sorry. Huh. Oh. Okay, I'm back in the Pi. Let me switch screens. There's some good, Docker, yeah, Killer Code is great, and, yeah, I love working with this, Head Tennis has a great Slurm. Hot Tennis has a great, Slurm, walkthrough. Killer Code. I don't know what to call them. Alright. We back. And I was able to just copy and paste everything finally. Singularity is a lightweight computer. Hey, computer nerd. Yeah. Tanny's got it. Just very similar to Docker. It's more secure than Docker. So Hack the Planet had said, yeah, it's not a bad idea. Okay, so running Singularity. I suggested it recently, but it's hard to get HPC users to budge where I work. Oh, you're talking about SketchMD. Okay, alright. I was wondering if anybody had any suggestions about I don't know. I'll ask my team tomorrow about the Singularity build and if it's going to put... Because it's not going to advance the job to a compute node. This is a customized build, and while they can add the module for Singularity, does it not put all of the... I'm just worried it's gonna... If this person's gonna run their work in Unreal Engine, and it's so resource heavy, Unreal Engine. I don't know much about Carla Simulator, but worried it's gonna lock up the node, and then... Yeah. I'll just ask them tomorrow. They do say it's more secure than Docker. I also don't know how true that is. Let's look for errors here, but this should be correct now. But non-interactive software properties build essential playing age. Let's CMake.
Computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Run the pip3 install. Okay. And here's the thing. Do I not use a Carla for Carla Simulator? I guess I could change the work directory or the group. But at this point, I don't see if there's a purpose. Does Carla need to have a user in a group? Yeah, that's what I was thinking, if we need to alter that, perhaps. So... we have the group add for Carla. But... user? Just consulting my notes yet again. We have a anonymous. Are you a Trump voter? Are you a good Trump fan? It's funny. They usually, I don't know. I shouldn't give the troll any bait, but it's just funny the usernames he's using. Maybe he ran out of ones that insult me by gender or call me stupid. So you're saying computers just avoid touching users and groups inside and then do user... Okay. So do you think I should not run the group add? Just get rid of this portion here. Hang on, my friend has a GitHub with a similar project. Let me see how they did it. Oh, I can't show you guys. Sorry, I will figure out the capture thing eventually. Eventually. Kind of embarrassing. what did they do? Alright, they also, yeah, they, my friend who had a similar project. Now, they did it as, well, just a separate line, run user ad, but same. Same. Their user is obviously different than Carla, but... yeah, I'm not sure what to do. Just look for errors, I guess. FCE, yummy. Yeah. This is Kubuntu, by the way, the distro. I should put that in my list of commands. My commands are more screwed up than usual. Do I have CMake? Yeah, we do have CMake. Let's just go. It looks good to me. I like to cat out everything after I work on it. Can catch some errors that way also. Excuse me. So Hack the Planet says about my question. Oh, lots of image. Okay, gotta go up. Gotta scroll up. Since the where was this answer? Oh, our scheduler just uses a service account, and so binaries needed those file permission. Redo use a service account. I'm not sure if you're talking about Titaniwa. Okay, and computer center is saying doesn't set the user or group, and then when you run it, and you need a specific array, I set it then, and run it in read-only mode. That's smart. Oh wow, I'm so sorry I missed a raid. Because I have all the notifications turned off. Oh, I'm so sorry. Miss Pixie, thank you so much for the raid that I missed. 43 raiders. If you're still kicking around, welcome. We are chilling and doing a Docker build, Unreal Engine, so hopefully we can get to some more visually exciting stuff in a bit. Yeah, sorry, Miss Pixie, I hope you had a great stream. Let's give a shout out to Miss Pixie, even though I've probably missed that. At this point, what? It's not, you can't do exclamation point SO anymore. Yeah. We're working on Docker, and hopefully maybe get to a little fun and complete a box. Oh my gosh, this is so far up that I can't find. I owe Miss Pixie a raid. Damn. Alright. I can't run shout out. This is a mess. What's up, Raiders? If anybody is kicking around, I'm Anya. You can call me Anya. I'm a Linux administrator and I guess you can say I'm a CTF player. So I do some boxes, TryHackMe and stuff like that. And yeah. Work as a Linux admin by day, trying to learn some new skills here, Singularity and Docker. And yeah. Let's see what Miss Pixie was working on since I so rudely missed them. Am I going to DEF CON this year? I'm definitely considering it. Oh, I love the starting soon screen. And I am, of course, following Miss Pixie and offer Miss Pixie a raid. I want a new starting soon screen, but I feel like if I get a new one, I haven't streamed enough to justify upgrading again. Nice. React, Doggy app. Very cool. So I hope everybody does go over and follow. I think I am now going to consider going to DEF CON because I miss Hackspace Con. Buy a beer? Yeah. I want to chill. I think I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna miss a Linux what you call it, conference as well. So I thought maybe I'll sneak it in and try to get this one expensed, actually. I know that sounds, awful. So, also had an install script here. Do we want to use install script? Because it's slightly different. I don't know if this is going to have to be edited, but it's just basically, let's see if there's anything sensitive in here. Because this is actually reused from work. You guys can't see what I'm talking about. I gotta talk to somebody who knows about Twitch and the best way to display these things. I think that should be fine. Oh, thank you on YouTube. Follow B. Kenderdell. What's up? Hope to cut some YouTube videos. I think I'm gonna cut the when we did Mr. Robot TryHackMe box. Yeah, thank you for the YouTube follow. All right. There is the script. Shit, am I on call? Why am I getting all these buzzes? Oh, I'm not on call till the end of the mid-month. Okay. I don't know what's going on at work, but how Unreal Engine Docker has to do with anything. It's just to assist with somebody who wants to run Unreal Engine on our supercomputing, our HPC cluster, and we don't actually have Unreal Engine installed. So the two ways you can do that is just build your own Conda Anaconda environment and build from source, custom software, or deploy a, let's just say, Docker container, although it's Singularity container that has the software built. So the suggestion that I gave, well, I suggested Conda, but this client wants to deploy a Singularity container, and I thought I just wanted to familiarize myself with all of this because I want to familiarize myself with Docker more. I've lost a lot of what I originally knew in the first place, so yeah. Just a kind of a small project now before getting back. CI/CD for AAA games. Yeah, I guess you could put it that way, Chianju. So happy with your new role. Oh yeah, you're a senior system. Well, you're a I don't know if I can share that, but I know you have a senior position now, which is awesome. Congrats. So this removes any existing Unreal Engine well, removes any Unreal Engine, I guess, yeah, CDs into user SRC. Okay, basically cleans it out, and then we unzip the engine, Unreal Engine Carla Simulator CD over. Okay, we have an echo here, and then we're doing a make. Same pattern here with Carla Simulator, and then we've set UE4, okay, to the user SRC app, that path. I don't like the spacing here. Commented these out, okay. Making a directory, tarring, and then we're doing make, okay, launch. All right, I guess let's go for it. The role was a lateral move to a new company with senior product owner in both cases. Now it's not a contractor position, more money. Oh, so that's actually that's amazing. Congrats, you deserve it. I hope to be in that position one day. So what do we want to call this? Our image just Unreal or Carla? Doesn't matter, I guess, but let's go with Carla Simulator. I'm gonna have to get out my Docker cheat sheet. And then we can run, and this might take a bit at this point. Let's see, it failed pretty quickly. Exit code did not complete successfully. Alright, so we've got an error in here with the running apt-get update and an apt-get 2 of 5, okay. Run apt-get update, install software properties. Okay, it has the code here. Oop, 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 oop. Just wanted to get part of that. Yeah, building software from scratch is painful, but I want to get more used to it. I want to build more. Alright. Wanted to get this... Well, I wanted to get the error code, but it's just error code 100. Let's take a look. So fetch, reading, package. Oh, Python pip has no installation candidate. So we need to edit. Failed to solve process. Okay. And then I want to see. Did not complete successfully. Just curious what error code 100 is. Act-get update return a non-zero code. So the Python, the pip package seems to be the issue. I'm running... Oh, wow, this is old error. Huh. So, I wonder if... Okay, so the Python pip is the issue here. Can you just curious. Does that show up now? On screen? Oh, it does. Okay. Might need to run the get python pip script. I was thinking maybe I need to specify like Python 3, but yeah, that was my brilliant idea. Good. Visual mode. Come on. Yikes. Alright. I think it as a repo to yum or sources. Okay. What do we need to alter within here? I was just interested to see if specifying Python 3 would work. If we have to run the script, what kind of alterations are we gonna have to make here in the Docker file? Python TACM ensure pip upgrade. Okay. sure the pip upgrade. So we could just pull from the repo though. Excuse me. Don't... I don't know. Whatever latest version of Python got, unless there's a compatibility issue with 3. Yeah, I'm just gonna run it real quick and we'll see if it fails and at what point again, and then we'll go with your suggestions. So it should fail in a moment. Well, Activia. Did we... Yeah, we've gotten further than before here. All these parameters running now are specified in YAML. If you error out, they need to modify. I had done yeah, the Docker file, and I have an install script. Excuse me. Yeah. Okay. If you error out, need to modify. Right. Okay. So we can inspect the YAML if this fails again, but this has gotten quite a bit further than the last time. You know, this could take a while to unpack, so I don't even know. I'm trying to keep up with what line we're at and compare, but given how bad my notes are structured, these were my original notes. The Obsidian screwed it up. Yeah, the install script typically just calls docker run and YAML config. I'd have to look at it again, but you're probably right. I assumed that it had called a YAML. So we have advanced. Okay, well, it'll just keep compiling there. Or running. We can do something in the meantime. Doing great. Well, thank you. My goal is just to get this deployed. Oh, here. Oh. Here we go. Can't install, uninstall pip. No files were found to uninstall. Okay, good. See some errors. Are they fatal? Nice. Thank you so much, chat, for the assistance, and thank you so much again for the resubs, Tanny, Pina. Thank you so much for the gift subs. Really do appreciate it. Doesn't look like it finished. It built, and it doesn't look like there's any fatal errors. So Whew. Wow, that was kind of a rush to have it actually successfully run. I mean, the Slurm stuff I've been troubleshooting endlessly. Alright. Alright. So that was the build, and now we can run. Okay, I'm just gonna change this music. I thought this music would might have been a little bit different than the other, copyright-free music, and it turns out it's not. It's literally the same mix again and again and again. So let me get that up if I can find and everything. Well, actually, let's run here. Oh, we got some... Oh, hey, Fix-It! What's up? Oh, sorry guys, there's so many streamers in here, I forgot. I should be giving you all shout-outs. But definitely, let's see if this will work. Shout out. Go check out Fix-It42. Great fellow streamer. Okay, does not recognize my command. Oh no, an ad break! Okay, I snoozed the ad break for 5 whole minutes. Okay, there we go. Go check out Fix-It. Go check out, also, Hack the Planet. May know Hack the Planet formerly as Tagora. Snoozing the ads. Twitch is gonna get super angry at me for rejecting all these ads. They're gonna force an ad break now that's really long. Oh, I have to wait 1 minute and 34 seconds before doing another shout out. Check out Hack the Planet, though, as well. Oh my gosh, I just noticed my emote wall. I have an emote wall. It's behind the terminal. Ugh. Streaming, there's so many things that divert my attention. Like, as a normal person, it would divert your attention, but with ADD, it's crazy. Okay, let's move my up emote wall so it's not bouncing behind the terminal. Alright, let me test. Oh hey, look, that's so cute! Tuck's floating across the screen. Thank you guys for the follows, those who have followed in the last few minutes. I'll shout you out at the end. So, yeah, so we just need to run Docker. Oop. I've gotten now used to tabbing out, but I also will occasionally do this, where I space or I tab and then I space. It's ridiculous. Guess those are things that smooth over time. Sulfino99 is redeeming points to hydrate. Sorry, that's about all you're gonna be able to redeem for today. I can't do my push-ups like usual because I have a strained rib and a tear in the musculature like around my rib, so I can't do push-ups right now. What are you working on? Doc or something? Yeah. Well, I'll go ahead and explain that in a moment. I need to write up something for this project, but I didn't really think of it. So what could... Just wondering, we want to run... What did I name it again? Carless... Wait. Carless Simulator? Sorry, I'm terrible, guys, at talking. Oh, there we go. So... Not... Docker command to run... Docker run... Yeah, but what is then... Why add in? Why are we adding TAC IT? Sorry, I will answer what we're doing here with Docker. I have to do Pomodoro again, but you guys have given such great suggestions. Even though I get distracted, would not have been able to probably move so quickly without you all. You need to use the RM flag for a Docker container started with the Docker run command to be removed on exit. Should we... Okay, so should I use RM? If you forgot to run your container with TAC-RM, you can list running containers and then close them. Okay, so should run it with TAC-RM. Alright, I guess let's go. Ouch, sounds painful. Yeah, to be real, it's very uncomfortable. What are we working on? Okay, so... Oh, we're in like Flynn! I'm sorry, I'm so excited. Look at that! We're in the container! So, fix it. We are, I'm working with a client who would like to run a, Unreal Engine on our cluster. Unreal Engine is not installed on our cluster, however, so the clients have a few options when we don't have installed. Let's say, you know, have to build from source. One way you can do that is use a Singularity container, or, well, let's just say Docker container, and customize that container. So I have somebody that I'm going to help out tomorrow afternoon who wants to run Unreal Engine in Carless Simulator, which I had never heard of. And they didn't want to do it within a Conda environment, which I'm more comfortable in now. Conda environments, I've been developing in Conda, or just scripting in Conda environments. So I was hoping that they wanted to do it that way, but they want to do a Singularity container, or just, you know, Docker. Well, hence this, though. So I'm just going through this, trying to get a better idea of how you would build this image. Is it possible to build the image, customize? This should be about what they want. Now, we should probably test out a few scripts also, and port forwarding. Should do port forwarding to see if this will run interactively. Sounds advanced. It's I don't know if it's advanced for like this area. It's definitely advanced for me though. But that's why I wanted to get into it. I want to get better at building software and I just don't want to work in the data center. I don't do like a huge amount of data center work, but I want to put in my dues and then not have to do it basically ever, and just develop servers and build from source software. So gotta get good at these things. But yeah, we are in the container, so I don't know what we can run. And then I don't know if we can maybe SSH and I don't know if X11 X11 port forwarding is enabled. I guess I didn't really shit, I didn't really think about that. But I do know it's possible now. Let's see. Let's do I really don't know what to run at all. Unreal Engine script. Test. Oh, look at that. There's example Docker files for using. Oh, this whole time there's this here. This GitHub's been here the whole time. Huh. Well, I'm gonna keep this. But right now, I'm just looking for scripts. Looks like there's already a UE4 container pre-built. I had seen the... yeah. Oh, God, the ads are coming up, guys. Sorry. I'm snoozing him again, but Twitch is gonna get angry and increasingly angry at me. Only visible to me. Ad starts in 4 minutes and 53 seconds, and I'm not allowed to snooze anymore. So now, oh man, I made it worse on everybody. Now you have to sit through a series of ads. Atrophies me, Twitch hard. Yeah. They're good. They've run off people permanently from the platform with this advertisement bullshit. What I want to do is run scripts with inside the container and just make sure it's functioning. But let's take a look. Yeah, this is great too. Now I know I can build, though, which is cool. The various tags of Atom Ren UE4 runtime image provide minimal pre-configured environments for running packaged Unreal Engine projects with full GPU acceleration via the NVIDIA container tool. I was gonna say toolkit. No, I was gonna say... never mind. Note that these images will work with packaged Linux build from any source, not just builds package using the container images from the UE4 Docker project. Both OpenGL and Vulkan and OpenGL Vulkan CUDA variants are provided. Oh, okay. Using the X11, or X11. I don't know why I say 11. So the X11. Ooh, you know, I wonder if this one's not. I don't know if I actually set up an X11 image. So, wow, okay. Read it as X11 called 17. Everybody has these, like, their own pronunciations, you know? It's crazy. Gotta figure out which port the container API is feeding out to localhost. Yes. Yes. Tanny says, I once met the person who implemented ads for YouTube who told them not to say that loud. It might distract an angry mob. True, true. And YouTube's not even near Twitch. But hey guys, we're gonna get the top of the hour ad break. Unfortunately, in 2 minutes. I know, it's a crying shame. Alright. Rendering, Vulkan off screen. Okay, this is really good. Audio output. Wow. Wow. You're excited for this ad break? Yeah, get excited because it's coming in 1 minute and 16 seconds, 15 seconds, 14. And I can't snooze it anymore. Crazy. Crazy, they won't even let you disable the ads. I kind of want to pull this image. I guess there's no harm in just pulling it so I don't forget. I guess... actually, let's... I thought we set up... Yeah, here, Computer Nerd was talking. Maybe it's Supercomputer. Yeah, Ford Fiesta. Ooh. What could be coming? Who knows? What product will be pushed on us today? Yeah, so we're user Carla. Obviously, we can change that. Any second now, I can tell you the exact second. Oh. I think it probably is playing now. So much for my countdown skills. I know people that who do wonderful top of the hour ad break reads. I am, alas, not one of them. So, obviously there's nothing within this container yet. It would have to be built out with scripts. I love that the L was recognized as an alias here for LL or LS. But yeah, I thought we created... Okay. Alright. Everything is set up correctly. Oh, because I have a tablet set up, I can see I got a Belvita ad. Maybe we can discuss after the break. Can't run. Alright, I'm gonna exit from the container. There we go. It is... I wanted to... Just go ahead and pull this for the heck of it. Happy New Year! I got a, I already forgot. I got some kind of cookie ad. I forgot what they were called. Like, I literally forgot immediately what I just saw. My memory is so bad. If I ran Taco Bell, I'd buy all the Twitch ads with 420 and declare it International Taco Bell Day. Oh man, that sounds so disgusting. I'm sorry. I went to talk. I don't know if I should. I'll ruin Taco Bell if I tell my Taco Bell story. I don't want to ruin it for everybody. But I had a bad experience with Taco Bell when I was like 7, and I never ate it again. And then I ate fast food like twice more in my life, and then never ever again. I don't eat fast food. So now the image is pulled, so I don't have to remember. But nonetheless, I've got that. Okay. Got that starred. Hmm. Let's just bring that up again. I'm gonna reduce this. So again, here's the image ID. I'm wondering if I want to work a little bit on my Slurm project or continue with this, or if I'm gonna need to make sure I don't overextend my ribs here. Ooh. Alright. I hope this mic is okay. I'm tired of troubleshooting audio. So you see my Slurm, Portainer, my Ghost blog. Mic is good? Okay, great. I think I just need to learn that I need to keep my face near it. Or I need to orient it differently, the mic arm differently, rather than hanging down like this. It is a little goofy, but I might have to run it from the back of my desk. I mean, I like it. But it's hard because I don't want to keep facing this way, and it's hard to face this way. Anyway, the container is not showing up when we're running, you know, showing the Docker. There's no container ID. So what's the next step there? Do 10 fish. Matthias, thank you so much for redeeming 500 points. Unfortunately, Matthews, and welcome to the chat. I have torn musculature around my rib, and I have a strained rib. I cannot do push-ups right now. I can barely do this. I do apologize. Alright, great. I usually love to do the push-ups. Long-time fans will know. I'll get up and do twice as many push-ups as people ask me. So I owe push-ups to Matthias. Just let's mark that down. I owe like 30 push-ups now. You do push-ups in half? Go for it, Taniwa. Get well soon. Thank you. It's just annoying because I can't find like a comfortable. It doesn't feel comfortable to lay down. It doesn't feel comfortable to stand. Nothing. You know, you can go to creator custom rewards. You can disable certain rewards while you heal. I may have known that. Thank you. I should do that because people keep redeeming and I keep having to say the same thing. Hydrate. Well, that I can do. Let me see if I can disable. It's a creator dashboard and then custom rewards. I don't remember how I set up. Guys, I'm just so terrible. I do the bare minimum for the stream and I've never come back. Well, not never, but I put very little effort into fixing my notifications and all of that, but also because I'm multi-streaming over to YouTube and Zitter X Twitter. I don't know. I don't know if anybody's watching over there, but oh, hi, Zitter people. I'm live. It says I'm live. Where is this located? I really do want to ads. Okay. Set it and forget it type thing, exactly. That's me all over. I forget so quickly. I'm looking for it. Viewer words, custom words, my bad. Okay, that makes sense now. Thank you. I have a speak Greek to me. Okay, I need to learn that Greek, so I'm gonna do my Χαίρετε και πώς είστε ταινία και με η Amanda ο Anya πώς είστε λατρεύω technology. Oh, my mother would kill me. Λατρεύω το τεχνολογία το Linux. And yes, heroes are tasty. Okay, so I just said hello. You can call me Anya. Hi, how are you doing? You can call me Anya. I love technology and Linux. What? Do you want me to repeat that? Okay. Pinat que hirate. Que pusiste? Ime kala ime gaya emi 이메 이 아니야 보시세 lo trevo eto tecnologia I keep wanting to say E like it's Spanish. Eto Linux. That was really sloppy. That was really sloppy. Yeah, so you've got Efkaristo, so you're doing well, thanks, right? Because I know that's Efkaristo to, the Taniwa has it. Okay, I'm ashamed. I'm gonna have to bring up Translate now for that last one. Okay. Oh, excellent, you still have it. Okay. Because that looks... This character here... looks very similar to the word for thank you, or one of the formal word for thank you with its Efkaristo. But it is not. Iten ex... tico, toches okomo. You know, we were learning Greek, and we never got out to Greece that year. I'm hoping to get out to Greece next year, so maybe I'll get back to learning it, but I'm learning so much. And remember, it's gyro, like a Y, not gyro. Hero with an H is acceptable. Okay, now what did I say to him before we got started? Okay, viewer rewards. There are no rewards currently available? Where? Oh, channel points stuff. Okay. Tux Bucks. I kind of want to show you guys the ads, even though it's technically too, it's violating the contract with Twitch or whatever the hell. I have my Tux Bucks, but it won't allow me to enable channel points. Okay. I don't want to disable channel points, I just want to remove... Oh, I have the get off the stun lock, choose a box, hydrate, take 5, speak Greek, do 10 push-ups. Yeah, let's temporarily disable the push-ups. And that should be fine. I kind of want to get rid of the stun lock thing, because people usually just accidentally say, put in get off the stun lock, the points for get off the stun lock, and they either don't know what stun lock means, they do it accidentally, or I read too much into it like they're being rude. I think I've scared off one viewer when I assumed that they were being rude, and I was just frustrated with the challenge, and I was like... it's not like I yelled at him, but I wasn't very nice for a few moments. There's a fast food chain here called Gyros. So do they serve gyro? The pita snacky, well, gyro, you know, the Greek food. Oh, so it's called gyros, spelled Y-E-E-R-O-S, and they serve gyros. That's awesome. Nice. Alright, so we can run the Docker. I don't have any scripts offhand to really test anything significantly here. So, did pull that other image. I would love to test out the graphical capability by, you know, doing like SSHing into the container, doing, you know, SSH TAC X, so you have the port X11 forwarding. So we build and run. Why is this not showing up with the other containers? We're still working on THM Chillhack? Yeah, I don't, I would like to finish that. I got so frustrated with that this morning. Oh my goodness. Just thinking, what do I have to do? What else can I do right now, possibly? Here. Oh, and Docker users. I do have another question, I guess. Let me try this. So my other project is running a Slurm cluster. Like a much bigger project. I can't I can't remember what we did the last time with the Slurm. But as you can see, the Slurm build always fails at a certain point. I cannot remember the error for the life of me, but as you see here, and if we get up the Portainer interface, the Slurm nodes are there. Ah, shit. Excuse my language. That's not very ladylike. And yeah, just verifying here in Portainer, we have 13 images, 2 stacks. The cluster here. The state, it exited. You can see the image here. Failure, unable to retrieve image details. And here, okay, the and here's Carla's simulator, the Ubuntu, unused. Unable to retrieve, ooh. That's surprising. Let's see, Ubuntu. You're currently using an anonymous account to pull image. Oh, I have to log into Docker Hub. That's right. Well, I don't feel like doing that. Oh, that's right. One of the errors I kept getting had to do with signing in. And I did sign into Docker Hub, but then still had an issue with running and deploying the Slurm containers. And I really would love to get the Slurm up and running. But I'm gonna ask if I can do some YouTube tutorials for our cluster, and they might not allow a they probably won't allow me to do live Twitch stuff, but maybe they could set up like a dummy username. And I could actually show you guys some of the cluster stuff. Probably not. Probably the best I can hope for is to do some YouTube stuff. Anyway, it's also odd that I can't get into the Ghostblog interface. As far as the Carla stuff, though, Unreal Engine / Carla. Any ideas why this is we can run, but why is it not showing up within the contain as a container? Because I'd like to SSH into the container. We'd see the world's best cluster. Yeah. You'd see a pretty good cluster, yeah. And I would love to show you the work that we're going to do on the AI cluster. Let me show you the similar thing to what we're doing. It's a lot of fun. Thinking, do we do TryHackMe? Oop. Chat, you've gotten a little fat there. It could be that the container exit immediately. Yeah, because of how I'm running it here. True. Alright, so we don't want it to exit immediately. And so I have to remove this tech RM. That was good for testing. Okay. I need a breakdown of this. So this is just building image with the tag. Pushing the image. Executing. Okay, so that is what I'm... Okay, yeah, I'm executing and... It is, as you said, it just exit immediately. So I need to run it. Do I want to run? Or do I want to just... Do I just want to run the image? Or do I want to push the image? Stony Eagle! Anya, Anzi, how you doing? I'm doing alright. Sorry, the grimace. I'm doing alright overall, except for a tear near my rib. Or, oh god, that hurt quite a bit. I poked it, as if you could see where I'm showing you. But otherwise, I'm doing great. Work's going great. Yeah, just hanging out today, chilling, getting some actual like work done, and maybe get to a TryHackMe thing. How are you doing, Stony? If we run the image. Just run. There we go. So yeah, it's exiting immediately. Exit in with a zero code, so And yeah, there's the network info. Still a scatterbrain as always. Yeah. I try to improve, but there's so much stimulus when you're streaming that it's like. But we got a decent amount done today, so I'm happy. I've been good working on music import stuff on my server. Nice, nice. Quite frustrating with an API that is like, nah, I don't feel like giving you this block of data. Ask again. Yeah, I hate doing, well, I don't hate it, but API work and calls, very frustrating. Couldn't do what you do. For sure. Have I ever seen, an API that just forgets to give you a block of data? No, that's odd. I wouldn't even know where to start with troubleshooting that. How long have I been on? Like, good. I feel good about everything. I appreciate everybody's help on this. I think I'm gonna cut it with the Carla simulator stuff because I just can't think of anything else we can do. I mean, there actually is quite a bit we can still do. That's not true, but I'm happy with where we're at, and I think that's where I'll leave that. Question is, what do I want to work on? I've been thinking for the last like 15 minutes, what the hell do I want to work on? So I do apologize about that. I did want to finish up that TryHackMe box. But I need to, yeah, what's my uptime? There's not much you can do about the API. Oh, it's a free API. Can't complain. Yeah, still, it's quite frustrating. Ooh, 2 hours and 51 minutes. If I do that box, I mean, we could crack it. I am interested if we started the live hack box. Okay. Okay, great work. Thank you, team. This has been really awesome. I think I am gonna take a look at the Chillhack real quick. I didn't need to exit out of all of that. Whatever. It's gonna change the music like over an hour ago. Gotta try Pretzel Rocks again. Oh wow, it opened right up to the same space we're at. Of course, the machine had expired. Do I still have OpenVPN up? Oh, now we're going through. Box VM to VM. Here's the OVPN tab. Looks good to me. I tried tunneling earlier. Okay. take a quick look. Copyright free Christmas music? I mean, literally anything else would be good. Christmas. This is the copyright-free Christmas music, and it's the same music. It's still the same. Oh, how does it? Okay, I'm just gonna have to return to getting pretzel rocks, I guess. It's crazy. All of the royalty-free music. Yeah. Oh, hi, Ash Jones. What's up? Welcome to the chat. Good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Yeah. There we go. Okay, copyright-free Christmas music, because I can't listen to the same thing yet again. Used to go with pretzel rocks, but I switch over to the Streamlabs as a music plugin, and you don't have to worry about copyright. When you give it a 1,000 chance, copyright music might change. I keep going to different channels though, Sneaky Donkey, but they all use the same, like, underlying... Like, they just kind of change the underlying beat, and that's it. It's... really... really... irritating. Yeah, but I keep hoping that just one of these, at one point, one of the channels will have a slightly different sound than it doesn't. Did you try Suno? No, I did not. Suno. Suno AI? Oh! Somebody had mentioned this. Yeah, AI music maker. Yeah, we were talking, not by name, but we were talking about AI, making AI music, and I was like, well, at that point I might as well just get my guitar out of storage and, like, record something that's mine. But that's cool, I will... Oh wow, I mean, it's crazy that you can do a prompt and just the way AI is advanced is unbelievable. I am new from you. You came from Tiberias. So awesome. Well, welcome. It's good to have you. Yeah, and everybody check out Tiberias, of course. We love Tiberias. If I can do a shout out. I can... Christmas, it's in summer. Everybody go check out Tiberias. Although you should probably know. Is Tiberias on, or...? Or... I think All Hazard comes on today. Later this afternoon. Alright, so we have done the Docker stuff. We're also doing a Chillhack. And wanted to finish up this challenge. So remember, this is there's all these dead links, so there's a directory. I think it's just secret, if I remember. Yeah, and then you can execute various commands. So I had up just a one-liner. PHP execute reverse shell PHP one-liner. Just set up a listener on 444. And here's what we used, and then what did I do? The quotations didn't work. Oh yes, we had to do a semicolon, ultimately. Looks like he's dancing to the Christmas music here. So what we have to do is I had to do like ls colon and then the PHP. No, wait, was it the semicolon, or do we encase this in scare quotes? This is what I get for not having kept notes. Or very bad notes. Well, let's see what happens. Oh, it actually worked. We see the wrong screen. Oh, you do see the wrong screen. I'm so sorry. These, I'm so oh, damn. Okay. Oh man, I went through all that again, and I'm like, here's this. I'm gonna have to survey all the streamers in the chat sometime and elsewhere. How the heck do you... And I think now it's coming up blank. Yeah. Let me reload it. How do you all handle... When you're working, do you show your full desktop? Or do you do a capture of a window? And then if you want to add... If you want to, like, drag over a browser or change applications, do you just keep adding in captures? Because I almost want to go back to the desktop method so I don't... This stuff doesn't happen. For like 15 minutes, this thing's been on the wrong screen. Which is kind of funny. Okay. Oh no, and it's not even... Yeah, it's not showing up. Shoot, you gotta be kidding me. Oh. Alright. That's a little bit... it looks like it's taking up a little too much of the screen. And that it's still layered. Oh. Why? Oh my god, yeah, there's multiple captures here. Well, I guess I'll keep it like this if if it looks alright. Yeah, whatever. Hey, Trash Puppy, what's up? Hey, good to see you. Everybody go check out Trash Puppy. Trash Puppy actually is now working, remind me of your title. Dev? Or no, you're pen testing, right? And did you start this month? Also use Screener Tmux. Yeah, we were also talking about my laziness with Tmux. How I always try. I've tried to pick up Tmux so many times, and then I give up. I give up, I get frustrated, and I'm like, screw this, I don't care if what I'm doing is inaccurate. But no, I am, because one of my colleagues started to learn to use Tmux, and I was like, hey, I should get back into that, so yeah. Shy Hat says, anything I want to show, I just drag over. So you just have the multiple monitors, you catch the monitor. See, Shy Hat, that's what I used to do. One, I had a problem with the monitor. Wait, what's wrong with the import here? I used to just have the monitors just capture the entire display of one monitor. Stabilize. Did I not... Oh, don't give me issues again with the copy-paste. Invalid syntax. Well, it didn't quite copy. Python 3 text C square quote import pty dot spawn. See, that's exactly what I put. I don't see what the issue is. File string line 1. There was no issue doing this earlier today, so... Well, it's cut off, but it is there, so I gotta export... set the terminal lines, and let's export term, xterm. Okay. Now you all can see that. You didn't put the semicolon, did I not? I thought I did. Maybe I should actually wear my glasses. Hey, FPX, semicolon, not P2, okay. I put a period? Well, I can't go back and see, but I no doubt did that. Shy Guy, I retaught myself Tmux about 3 times. Well, I'm glad I'm not the only one. Yeah, and very much good luck to Trash Puppy. You'll rock. I know you will. You're more than ready. I mean, what a great thing. I'm so happy for you. Happy for everybody when they, you know, find their calling, get what they want. It's awesome. Yeah, but you're definitely more than prepared for a internship. For sure. I know you'll move up quickly. So their home is not set. But will it? Okay, yeah. So I can't tab out. It's creating spacing nightmares. So again, these were our 3 users. Anaron, Apod, and Otric. I think we went into Otric's, yeah, local.txt. Now that just gives us... Oh, right, we had permission issues. I forgot where we left off on this, or... What I need is a password. I don't remember what password I used to switch users. Oh, we need to get... Okay, I think I'm starting to remember. Maybe? Okay, so the permissions... RWX for user, RX for group, and other users none. So the only one that permissions allow us to even CD on a par, right? Yeah. But we can only get the local.txt, which has our first flag. What in the world? Who am I? Of course, stubs of data. Okay. Okay, right. Alright. We can run, as a par, we can run this helpline. Script. And here's the script. Oh yeah, I'm curious, Trash Puppy, as well. You probably answered this, but if you're doing network or web hacking. Shy Eyed, I get nervous typing stuff on stream because I'm paranoid, dumb some syntax errors. As am I. I am a better worker off screen, I swear. Because I can screw up and be I can actually, and then I don't have so much stimulus, like, oh, is the audio working? Is the music, am I gonna get it with copyright? Is my camera working? Is the screen got black? What about the captures? Is anything personal showing? Yeah. But I mostly worry, I used to capture my monitor, one of my displays, and drag over like this. But now I gotta fix the setup, needless to say. But a few times, people would, I would get like a notification, because I am using a VM, or I'd be logged into like Medium or something, and somebody would catch my email or something and put together, you know, personal information, so I started getting more and more paranoid, and that's why I'm doing the capture stuff. It's way easier to work off stream. Yeah, I want to do... I'm trying to get permission to do work streams. Ending Alley does really interesting work streams. Maybe I would do it like that, but you're not going to see like anything I'm working on. Okay, where are my notes? Okay, I've got the AI. Let me close that out. Docker Hub, close that out because we're done with that project for now. That was a lot of fun though. Okay. Yeah. 10 times faster online. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And I am a slow worker, but for sure. Okay, so anyway, we're back to running this as we're gonna run this script as a par. And I'm just gonna put the full path. Enter the person who you want to talk to. Did we literally... I think I just literally put bin bash for everything. Sorry, I think this is... Yeah, this is gonna be cut off. Alright, who am I? So now we had run linpeas, and with linpeas, I could cut out my actual notes. Linpeas, we found a few things. So, we had gone into a MySQL database, or, you'll see that if you run linpeas, you can connect to MySQL. We got the password for the MySQL to connect to a database as root, and then we were able to then, you know, show tables and all of that from there. So, here we go. This is the first... we advanced beyond there. This is to get to RevShell, then MySQL, we connect, and the information we have is Audic and callapar have these passwords. But these passwords they're not valid for SSHing. What we need to do is SSH tunneling, or alternatively, we need to get this image, hacker with a laptop here, ideally. So if we go to yeah, the spacing's off again. KS. Here's hacker without a with laptop. So I tried string copy. I tried setting up the simple Python server. A few things to just download this image locally. Hey, John Solo. Hey. Fix it. You tested when doing my boring bookkeeping co-working stream. I'm sure it was still fun. Did you actually find that you were 10 times faster offline even with a co-working stream? Because I tried a co-working stream like a year and a half ago, and oh man, I was like bursting at the seams to get up and talk or do something within like 20 minutes, but I'm not actually like that when I work. I actually get very zeroed in. Shy Hat used to run a co-working stream for a few months, helped me stay focused on work. Maybe you just need to get in a groove, or maybe it's just... I would probably just need to set it up correctly. I tried Pomodoro, but Pomodoro I get in the... Oh, you know what I think? Let's try running a simple server again here. I think it was Python 3. And then try to download, do wget from that box. See, sorry, things come to my mind. Okay, so I ran it originally from here, but we want to we could start the server rather than starting on the local box, and yeah, we'll start it on the remote server side. So Python 3 TACM HTTP server. On 8080. This is gonna work? Okay. So now, ooh, what the flying hell? Oh, no, that's my Cali address. I don't think this is gonna work. We're gonna have to do the forwarding, I think. Trying to do a directory attack. No, but there was an aspect. This is called Chillhack. TryHackMe Chillhack. If you'd like to look it up. I'll kind of reiterate where I am, where we are in this challenge. But basically, right now, it looks like this may be Stego. I can never say Stego. Stego. Let's just go Stego. So I want to get this image off of this remote server onto local. Now, when I was doing string copy, really any way I did this, and I could demonstrate, the port 22 would close. The connection was refused. String copy, wget, Python. So now I'm running the Python simple server on port 8080 on the remote side and trying maybe to do wget. We're in the directory, so I should be able to just do... We'll see. Wait, do you have the SQL root user password? Yeah, I do. I do. I can give it to you if you'd like. For your OPSEC stream, sharing stuff, you could set up a scene with a web browser capture and switch that when you want to do show browser of. Yeah, I thought about adding a browser capture. Right now I have a capture for the chat. I think to at least slim down on captures, I'm just going to do. I'm gonna get rid of this chat application. I like it, but I think I want to do, nothing's just connecting. It's gonna connection refuse probably. Here's the overlay. I want to, change this text here and modify my code over there, the chat over there, so that it moves fast underneath me. And then that would reduce the capture, and I think it would look a little bit cleaner as well. You can see I'm moving this thing all around, and yeah. Careful of browser captures. I almost doxed myself once. Better to capture a VM and sandbox. Yeah, that's another consideration. And hey, rainy weather guy, good to see you. Yeah, excellent point, and exactly why I run from VMs. But, and thank you for the follow, by the way. The captures keep like mounting up, you know? So ooh. Yeah, it's not contactable, it seems. You know what? You can open a browser inside your Kali VM. Yeah, and I do. You see, I do open within my VMs, the browser. It's just sometimes I have things easily saved and I'm logged in elsewhere. I don't really log in too much within these VMs. Part of it is also for sandboxing purposes. But yeah, I think maybe I'd have this browser, the VM, but I do switch between VMs. And that's what caused the issue earlier, just about 15 minutes ago. Doesn't seem like this is going to connect. Just going out on a limb. In the meantime, just cleaning up. So many browsers, oh my goodness. Why do I hoard so many browsers? Maybe we could try a different port. Yeah, maybe we could try a different port. That's my brilliant idea. iTerm has special escape codes to allow downloading files or displaying image. Cool, I'll have to check that out, Cyberbenny. I get so many recommendations, so many things I do need to try. Oh, this is getting cut off. This capture is driving me insane. I might mark this a technical stream. Alright. Yeah. Let's try again. Oh, Shyhat, did you want information on the MySQL? Let's try just 8888. I keep bringing up that tab. I don't know why. No, it's not gonna connect. Could try string copy again. But for some reason there are connection issues no matter how I do this. Whether I do string copy from the remote side or from local, whether I do wget, whether I'm doing curl, whether I'm setting up a simple server. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. So, since connecting and actually just downloading the image is not working, we have to do the remote forwarding, or sorry, it would be the local forwarding. So used for forward a port from the client to the server. Wait, which way do we want to do it? Yeah, we want to do a local forwarding, and then we can open up the web interface locally. From this machine. But this did not work for me before either. Yeah, clearly not working. Do not know why this connection seems to be blocked. I'm running it within... Oh, wait. Oh! No! I wasn't even in the shell! Oh! Come on now. Alright. Oh, no. Gotta go through all that again. Alright. Gotta do... Okay, local... and we'll rename this... Netcat. Well... that one more time. Alright, let's speed through this part, and then I'll make a ton of mistakes. Escalate, and again, here's the where we can get the shell. So we run sudo as a par and execute that script. Who do you want to talk with? Again, I'm just gonna put bin bash for everything. Who am I? A par again. Let's stabilize one more time. Alright, perfect. Now we go. Sometimes this doesn't recognize. Yeah, like that. Alright. Sometimes it's just easier to go to var. Something with the shells. I don't know, it's Alright. Try one more. Take 23 or whatever. Nice, we have a script that we can run as sudo. Can we write to that script? I think that may have been a method, but I already executed it as a par and then entered. I can show you how it's written if we want to go back. But there's just a vulnerability in there where it's asking like the name and then it pipes. I can't remember exactly, but we can break down the script if you'd like. Let's just set up the Python simple server. And then if it actually connects. Okay. Python, so okay. Let's put on 888 and try to connect wget 127.888. Will it connect? Doesn't look good. Did the box run out of time or something? Oh no. Well, it hasn't already. It hasn't. Excuse me. It's not gonna work. Ah. Because it would be so much easier if any of these. Why won't it connect? It just simply mystifies me. I could try string copy again, but that was refusing connections on port 22 as well. Or sorry, not port 22. No, on port 22. Yeah, of course. But I don't think this is a me problem at this point. I don't know why I'm even waiting. All right, we need another way in. Frustrating. Maybe 888 outbound or inbound. True. Did I exit out of the shell? Oh my god. I hit Control C so automatically. Oh god. I'd have to go through the same thing again. I mean, you're right, it's a good guess, but I've tried 8080 and 443. But it's not only the civil server that I've had trouble with, it's also string copy on port 2022. Sorry, not 2022. 22. I think I'm gonna have to come back to this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to come back to this, later in the week. Or I'll do a Sunday. I'll definitely do a Sunday stream. A stream by next Sunday, and if not, you know, maybe I'll do a short stream to wrap up this particular box. Well, guys, I had streamed earlier for near 5 hours, and now I've been going for, oh my, almost 4. I don't know what's up with this connection. Next time I'm not even gonna bother with going with this method, but I need to change positions with my whole lung thing. So think about, do you want to raid anybody? There's a few people online. RWX Rob is online. We can take a look at different hackers online. Hackavists, H8 handles. If anybody has an idea, or we could go to a software dev. Keybind. I think I own Keybind. A raid. So why don't we raid Keybind? Or a Cyber Six Reaver or a Janetta Car. I've never raided Janetta Car. Let me take a look. What is Janetta doing? Probing Hussy Bill's OSS. Ooh, that looks cool. Very cool. Damn, we could put her into like 200 viewers. I can't see the viewers now for some reason, but yeah, we could. Oh wait, we could put her over into practically, well, not 300, but like 250. Yeah, let's go to Janetta Car. I'm gonna have to raid and run. I need to get food. I need to do stuff. All right, everybody's cool. We're gonna raid Janetta Car. You could be welcoming because I'm gonna have to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to run. Yeah, so she's doing OSS. Everybody, thank you for the follows. Thank you so much again, Pina, for the gift subs. Thank you for the resubs. To Tiberius, Taniwa. Pina, you also resubbed. Appreciate it. I'm gonna get back into streaming more frequently now, though probably on Sunday. But you know me, I always pop back up. I'm a cockroach, you can't get rid of me. You can't completely get rid of me. Thank you, Shy Hat. Alright, so we're going to Janetta Car. I hope I spelled that correctly. Alright, raid has been created. Let's go, let's raid, let's raid. Yeah, again, thank you for the follows, Twitch and YouTube. And I will see you guys hopefully this week, but definitely by next Sunday. I'm going to try to resume my 11 a.m.-ish Eastern Time streams. So, love you all, and it's been real. I don't know why I said that. Alright, we're gonna raid. We've got 50 few viewers, great. So, should have come up with like a stream message, but I never can do that. Alright guys, much love, good afternoon, good evening, good night, have fun, and I will see you all soon.